Hey you guys, it's your girl Cece. Welcome back to my channel. So you already know what time it is when you see the bonnet on and me bare face. We are going to be doing a get ready with me and unboxing of my Boxycharm. Yes, I decided to resubscribe to Boxycharm. I took a good break from Boxycharm when I got a new debit card, and you know, I've been seeing everybody doing their unboxings and the products have been looking amazing. So I'm like, I think I need to sign back up for that. So in this video, I'm going to be just quickly going through what I got in this month's box. And then I'm going to be doing a try on so that you guys can actually see the products. And I can give you kind of mini reviews, first impressions of what I think about them. So I am going to be doing get ready with me style full face. So any products that I do not use in this box, I'll probably just skip over, but I will put everything either down below when I edit the video or in the description box. So let's go ahead and get into it. So this is what the inside of my box looks like, and the little pamphlet says make waves, and on the back it just has all of the items that I got in my box as well as the price. So let's go ahead and see what I got. So the first thing that I got, are these together or no, these are two separate products. Okay, so it looks like I got 5 products in this month's box. So the first thing I see is this Luna by Luna, and this is a lip gloss, and mine is in the shade Venus. And this does retail for $18. So it definitely looks to be full size. I love the packaging. It's really pretty. So that is what the applicator looks like. Just pretty standard applicator. And then this is the gloss. So it's just a very neutral brown, which you could definitely wear on its own, or you could wear it on top of pretty much any lipstick color and it would work. So I'm definitely happy that that's in there. So that's the first thing that I got. The next thing that I see in here is the Eye Luster Cream eyeshadow, which I'm super excited to try. And this is by Ciate London, and this retails for $22, and mine is in the shade Ice. So let's open this up and see. Ooh, that looks pretty. Okay, so that's the packaging, and that is the applicator. Oh my gosh. Pigment. That is one freaking swipe, you guys. Like, that is going on my lids today for sure. So yeah, definitely excited to try that. The next thing that I have, I'm so super excited about because this is like one of my favorite skincare brands, Glam Glow. You guys know I'm obsessed with Glam Glow. So this is a Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Cleanser, which I'm kind of like, ooh, I don't know how I feel about this because I used I think it was the e.l.f. bubble cleanser that they had, and that was horrible. It just felt like little gnats or bugs or something just like eating away at my face. So I really hope that I like this. I actually won't be using it today. I didn't know that I was going to be getting a skincare product, and I obviously already prepped my skin, but I'm definitely going to use this probably tonight to take off my makeup, so I can definitely let you guys know what I think about it. But let me just go ahead and take it out of the packaging. So that is what that looks like, and let's see what it looks like on. So that's what it looks like. So it's pretty runny. Doesn't really have a smell. I mean, it just kind of looks like soap. Yeah, it just kind of looks like soap. So like I said, I'll definitely try that tonight and let you guys know what I think about that. And that Glam Glow cleanser does retail for $28. The next thing, I'm like, thank you, Lord, because I definitely need another one of these. It is a super pretty eyelash curler, and this is by Pure Cosmetics. It's the Pure Pro Eyelash Curler. It retails for $18. and I just love the colors, and it's just so super pretty. So yes, excited to try that. And the last thing I have in here is by Milk Cosmetics, and I've never used anything by them. This is the Milk Makeup, not Milk Cosmetics, Milk Makeup, and this is the Blur Stick. And it says that this is a lightweight silicone-free matte primer stick that minimizes the appearance of pores and fine lines, which I definitely need all of that. So this is what that looks like. And then let's just open it up. So it comes out of the little packaging like this, twist off the top, and it's like a twist up, like a deodorant cap. And that is what it looks like. So okay, so it does have you probably can't even tell on camera, but it does have a little bit of a tint to it. But I mean, I'm sure if you're darker than me, it wouldn't really make a huge difference. You could still pretty much use it. So hopefully this keeps me matte, because girl, I am oily. Okay, and so the Milk Makeup Blur Stick was definitely the most expensive thing in the box. That retails for $36. So all in all, I'm so super excited for everything that I got in my box. I'm pretty sure that I will love every single item that came in here. So without further ado, let's just go ahead and get started. Okay, so I did my brows and my eyeshadow. I did my concealer to prime for eyeshadow. That's what I was trying to say. Okay, so for eyeshadow, I do want to use that cream one, but just, you know, for a simple look, I am going to go in with this AFU Deep Sensuous eyeshadow palette. I already did a tutorial using this, but that is a palette in case you have not seen it. So I'm going to grab a Luxie 205 tapered blending brush, and the first shade I'm going to go in with is this shade right here called Eternity, and I'm just going to apply that to my entire eye. I'm going to apply is Liberty, this matte brown right here. Then to deepen up the crease, I'm going to go into this deeper brown called Spiritual. So I'm not sure how well this is going to stick to the eye, so just for a little extra insurance, I am going to be using my NYX glitter primer. Not a lot, just a teeny little bit of it, about that much right there. I'm going to try to use the applicator first, and then if that doesn't work, I'll probably go in with either the brush or my fingers. Looks like when I patted it in with my fingers that it kind of took a little bit of the product away, so I think I'm going to put another layer, and then I'm going to just kind of pat it in with the brush. Because I'm not doing another lid shade, I definitely want this to be popping. I don't know if you guys can tell, but it's like looking a little bit patchy now that it's like setting into the eyes. So I'm gonna go in with another layer and see if that helps. So that's what it's looking like now. I don't know how I feel about this. I'm gonna play with it some more and, you know, see how it looks. It looks really good from like far away, but I feel like close up, it's a little bit patchy. So I think what I may do moving forward with this is maybe just use it as a glitter topper and not just like a complete eyeshadow, because not really feeling how this looks. But yeah, let's go ahead and finish up the eyes. So I'm going to apply my NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner, and then I'm going to go in with my Maybelline The Falsies Mascara, and I'll be right back. Girl, I was in the middle of finishing this eye, getting ready to go to the other one. I forgot all about my eyelash curler. So let me go ahead and try this out real quick. So as you can see, it's already starting to transfer, which I have that problem with pretty much every like glitter topper, you know, cream eyeshadows. So that's not really like a deal breaker for me. Okay, so I just finished my mascara. I don't know how well you guys can see on camera, but like I have lashes that tend to like go downward, and in this one where I didn't curl my lashes, I have like a lash or two that's going downward, but in this one they're all curled upwise. I don't know if you can see, but I can definitely tell, so I'm excited about that. So yes, for that lash primer, I'm going to be using the Milk Makeup one. So it's just a stick, so I guess I just kind of rub it across my face everywhere that I would use, you know, that I would want to like smooth and blur pores and imperfections. And then I'm just gonna kind of take my fingers and press it into the skin. Of course, this is the Luna by Luna lip gloss in the shade Venus. Okay, you guys, this is the completed look. So I must say, I'm definitely loving all the products. I was definitely a little on the fence about the cream eyeshadow, but now that I'm looking at it and it's like dried down and everything, it just has the most beautiful sparkle. Definitely like once natural light hits it, it's just so pretty. I think the next time I do this, I definitely want to wear lashes because I feel like lashes would have just popped this look, but I am getting ready to go out with my husband and my daughter as per usual, so I did not have time to take that extra step with the lashes, but I just felt like the lashes definitely would have taken this look to another level. The gloss feels really, really good. It feels very light. It doesn't feel sticky, but it doesn't feel wet, so I think I'm definitely going to enjoy using that gloss. I love the eyelash curler and the primer. Looking at it close up, I can definitely see how it has minimized my pores, and it's blurred you know, a lot of my imperfections and stuff like that in real life. I don't know how it's going to translate on like camera and when I take pictures today, but looking at it in the camera here and looking at it in the mirror, it looks really, really good. And for it to be a stick primer, usually stick primers make me more oily, but I'm not seeing that with this one right now. Of course, I definitely have to test it today because we are getting ready to go out in a little bit, so I definitely want to test it and see how it wears throughout the day. But first impressions, I am super obsessed with this box. Love it. So yeah, that is it for this particular video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, you already know what to do. Give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and subscribe, and leave me a comment down below and let me know, because this is like the first time, or just maybe one of the few times, that I've actually done a try on with subscription boxes. So let me know if you guys prefer like a try on style, or if you want me to just come on here and just kind of share with you what came in my box. So definitely let me know about that. And thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you guys next time in my next video. Bye!